Please comment if you know a way to get rid of hiccups, because I've had hiccups for the past 2 hours and it's really getting on my nerves, and I'm about to go into rage mode if they don't get out. And I don't really know any ways to get rid of hiccups. So if you know any ways to get rid of hiccups, please comment it on the bottom. Thank you.